Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. In this video guys, I'll be walking you through the process on how to create your transaction PIN on Rubi Network. So if you have been mainly on the Rubi Network and you've not created your transaction PIN, then you need to do that now because this PIN is what you need to transact on this platform. Don't forget to start mining on this platform as soon as possible. And if you are new or you've not been mining guys, click on the link in the video description, create your account. So it's very simple. Now that you are here to create your transaction PIN, then tap on the wallet icon at the base of the screen. Or tap on that wallet icon, it comes out like this. You have different options here. You have the receive and send. Then go ahead and tap on this settings icon at the top of the screen. Or tap on that settings icon, you have option like this. You have the PIN setting, transaction limit setting, and switch wallet. Go ahead and tap on PIN setting. This will bring to this interface guys. Create a new PIN or change PIN. So we want to create a new PIN. Make sure you remember or you save your PIN in a safe place. So let me create my PIN. Then repeat the same process. So you have to create 4-digit PIN. So it's 4-digit PIN. Make sure you create 4-digit PIN. Now that I've entered the 4-digit PIN you want to use, tap on apply button. So you see that has been updated successfully. That is how to create your transaction PIN on Rubi Network. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.